How to create 2 YouTube channels in one Gmail account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open any of the browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now, you want to go to the search bar and search for youtube.com. Make sure you're logged into it. Now you want to tap on 3 dots on the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Request Desktop Site. Now you want to zoom in and tap on your profile that is on the top right corner. Tap on View Your Channel that is in blue color. After that, in the left hand side corner you can see Customize Channel just below your name. Go ahead and tap on it. You will enter to this page where you want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom left corner. Then you want to tap on Settings. Now here you want to zoom in and then tap on Channel. Zoom out, and in the right hand side corner you can see Advanced Settings. Tap on it. Now you want to scroll down from here. Then you want to tap on Manage YouTube Account. Here again you want to zoom in and then tap on Create a New Channel. You want to go ahead and tap on it. Now here you want to enter your email, create your password, and you'll be able to create 2 YouTube channels in one Gmail account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.